Major issue still lingering tonight. Where do you put all this snow? In southeastern Mass, they're measuring the snowfall in feet, not inches. As Brandon Truitt found out, some city officials are asking drivers to stay off the roads just a little longer.
We have been watching people slip and slide all night long on the roads. They've been dealing with more than 30 inches of snow here. And tonight, an urgent plea from city leaders for people to stay off the roads.
This is the home of the best drivers in the world.
The blizzard of 26 is determined to leave its mark. Brockton buried under 2.5 feet of snow, and it's proving to be a challenge to clear out.
They're bad. They're just starting to clear up now, but they've been bad all day.
Sky Eye with a look at bumper-to-bumper traffic, gridlock on the city's main streets. We caught police trying to free vehicles stuck in the middle of the road. They pushed this one out of an intersection. Spinouts were a common sight, and frustration a common sound. Sidewalks are virtually non-existent. Take it from Joseph Clareson. The postal worker walked well over a mile today to get to the station for his train to Boston.
It's a mess. It's a mess. They have to be cleaning because I just leave my house this morning. I try to get out in my car, so I can't. So I have to walk from my house to the station.
44 years old, I've never seen this before ever in my life.
Shane Owens owns a barber shop on the corner of Main Street. He's taking it upon himself to shovel out parking spots in front of his business, trying to reopen as soon as he can. And he feels the road should be in better shape than this.
They cancel school now 3 days straight, where they only do wait 1 day when I was a kid. This is just absurd. I mean, I saw one plow on my way here.
One of our biggest issues right now is just there's vehicles on the road that don't need to be on the road.
The fire chief says DPW crews have been working around the clock, but scenes like this are making roads even harder to clear.
They can't do their work when they have all these cars in their way and getting stuck. They have to reroute. Now they have piles of snow in the roads, and I'll tell you that they're doing what they can, but it's difficult with all the cars.
Schools are closed in Brockton on Wednesday. I met plow drivers who have been volunteering their time to help, but the issue is the roads have been driven on so much, the snow's more compact. It's even harder to clear out. In Brockton, Brandon Truitt, WBZ News.
All right, Brandon, thank you.